dalawa pa, nagkasabay pa, na pareho kayong mga pinagdaan ng breakup last year.
Well, yeah.
Did it somehow strengthen that friendship?
Feeling ko
Yes.
nakatulong, oo.
Yes, kasi I feel like, so akala natin may stages of healing, diba? Dapat may, you
Yung
go
mga
through may linear
ano
siya
yung stages nga uli?
Diba?
Denial, anger, bargaining,
Yeah.
And then,
depression, may mga
Mga
ganun.
yung mga
acceptance.
ganyan siya.
Pinagdaanan niyo yun?
Pero ganito na nga.
ito nga, nung
Dahil-
Hawaii, we were talking about
Yes,
it.
and we realized na ang healing, it's not linear. It's messy.
Tama.
Tito, as in, we
Agree.
go through all of it.
Yes.
Pero kami ni Heaven, magkaiba ng sunod-sunod.
So that's why nagtutulungan kami. Kunyari ako, napagdaanan ko na. Tutulong ko sa kanya.
No, it's not like kasi, andito na ako sa anger, andito na ako sa depression.
No, but-
Kaya tama, it's not linear.
Yeah.
Habang nagkikwentuhan kami, tapos na ako dyan. Ito yung na-feel ko nung nandyan ako. Tapos siya din, parang, ate, nung dyan ako, ito ginawa ko dyan.
Oo.
So parang we help each other.
Yes.
Tama.
Iba yung...
It's messy, you know?
Yeah, it
One day
is.
you're okay, one day you're
It
not.
is chaotic, it is messy, pero ang ending nun, malinis.
Acceptance.
Pero kumusta kayo ng mga exes nyo? How are you and Paul Salas?
Galing mo talaga, Tito Boy! Galing!
Ayaw mo na!
No, because Paul was here and
Yeah.
very respectful.
Yeah,
you
last
know?
night nanood din ako nung game.
Yeah.
So nakita ko din siya doon. We're good. I think I watched his latest interview
That's
sa'yo.
right. Oo.
And he mentioned I saw na we were able to talk nung bachelors ni Mikoy.
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
yes.
Oo.
We talked. Okay naman. I'm not gonna deny, it was still painful.
Of course.
Kahit masakit pa rin, pero yung usap namin na to compared to our breakup last year is so much better. Like, I
That's
found
good.
myself saying to him dito sa usap na to na parang ito yung gusto kong usap last year.
Right.
Sabi ko sa kanya nun, ito yung kailangan kong closure last year. At akala ko nga di ko na makukuha, but at least nakuha ko pa rin.
And the good thing is you are in a better place than where you were
Yes.
before.
So
diba?
I think kaya din mas okay yung usap namin.